Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a radar chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to make a radar chart in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First, here we open our PowerPoint application on the computer. Create a new work page. Well, here we are already on the PowerPoint work page. For example, here we will create a radar chart for our skill. First, we go to the Insert menu. To the right, tap icon Chart. Then many chart options will appear. Here we select Radar. Well, here there are many radar chart options. Here I just choose this radar. Well, tap OK. Now here it is visible. A radar chart appears which is still empty. Now for this table. As input data on the radar chart. First here I will change the title to Skills. Then enter the data one by one. First, in this data section we enter the skills data that we want. For communication skills, 8. For problem-solving skills, 7. For creativity, 6. For time management, 5. For leadership, 7. For technical skills, 9. For emotional intelligence, 6. For adaptability, 7. We can also change the model of the radar chart. Go to the Chart Design menu. Well, here there are many choices of radar chart designs according to your wishes. We can also change the chart color of the radar chart. Go to the Chart Design menu. To the right, select Colors. Well, here there are many choices of radar chart colors according to your wishes. If we want to change or edit data, go to the Chart Design menu. To the right, select Edit Data. Here the input table will appear. Radar charts are used to visually describe one's abilities in various aspects such as communication, creativity, and leadership. So that's it. Tutorial how to make a radar chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.